How to fix hard disk or partition not detected when installing Windows. The hard disk or partition not detected when installing Windows error means that the Windows installer could not find any available hard disk or partition on your computer where it can install Windows. This could happen for various reasons, such as missing or outdated drivers, improper BIOS settings, faulty cables, or corrupted disks. One solution is to update your hard disk drivers. Sometimes, the Windows installer may not have the latest or compatible drivers for your hard disk, especially if it is a new or uncommon model. You can try to download the drivers from your hard disk manufacturer's website and load them during the installation process. To do this, you try using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Another solution is to check the BIOS settings. The BIOS is a software that controls the basic functions of your hardware. Sometimes, the BIOS settings may be incorrect or incompatible with your system, causing the hard disk or partition not to be detected. You can try to change some of the BIOS settings, such as enable UEFI mode and disable CSM or legacy mode. UEFI is a modern replacement for BIOS that supports more features and devices. CSM or legacy mode is an option that allows older devices to boot, but it may also cause conflicts or errors with newer devices. To enable UEFI mode and disable CSM or legacy mode, you need to follow these steps. Restart your computer and press the key that opens the BIOS menu. The key may vary depending on your computer model, but it is usually F2, F10, F12, Dell, or ESC. In the BIOS menu, look for an option that says boot mode, boot configuration, boot options, or something similar. Select it and choose UEFI as the boot mode. Look for another option that says CSM support, launch CSM, legacy support, legacy option ROMs, or something similar. Select it and disable it. Save the changes and exit the BIOS menu. Set SATA controller to AHCI mode. SATA is a standard that connects your internal storage devices like hard disks or SSDs to your motherboard. AHCI is a mode that allows SATA devices to use advanced features and improve performance. To set SATA controller to AHCI mode, you need to follow these steps. Restart your computer and press the key that opens the BIOS menu. In the BIOS menu, look for an option that says SATA mode selection, SATA configuration, SATA operation mode, or something similar. Select it and choose AHCI as the SATA mode. Save the changes and exit the BIOS menu. A third solution is to check the physical condition of your hard disk and cables. Sometimes, the hard disk or partition may not be detected because of physical damage or wear and tear. You can try to inspect your hard disk and cables for any signs of damage, such as cracks, bends, burns, or loose connections. You can also try to use a different cable or port if possible. A fourth solution is to use a third-party tool like ASUS Partition Master Professional to check and repair your hard disk or partition. This tool can help you scan your hard disk for any errors, bad sectors, or corrupted files that may prevent it from being detected by Windows installer. It can also help you format your hard disk or partition to NTFS file system which is compatible with Windows 10 11's installation.